What if your breakfast could switch your body into fat-burning mode, eliminate sugar cravings, keep insulin low, and give you calm, steady energy for hours, without carbs, without sugar, and without feeling hungry? In this video, I'm revealing 11 powerful breakfast foods with zero sugar and zero carbs that help you lose fat, control blood sugar, improve focus, and stay full all morning. These foods are used by people who want real results without dieting stress. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to build a breakfast that works for your body, not against it. Number 1. Eggs. Whole eggs are one of the most complete and metabolically powerful breakfast foods you can eat, especially when your goal is to eliminate sugar and carbs. Eggs provide a perfect balance of high-quality protein and natural fats that keep insulin levels low and stable, allowing your body to burn fat instead of storing it. Unlike carb-based breakfasts that cause rapid blood sugar spikes, followed by crashes, eggs deliver slow, steady energy that lasts for hours. They are rich in choline, a critical nutrient for brain function, liver health, and fat metabolism, which is why many people feel mentally sharper after an egg-based breakfast. Eggs also strongly regulate hunger hormones, meaning you feel satisfied longer and naturally eat less later in the day. This makes whole eggs an ideal foundation for weight loss, blood sugar control, and long-term metabolic health. Number 2. Bacon. Sugar-free bacon can be an extremely satisfying and effective breakfast food when chosen correctly. High-quality bacon contains healthy fats that provide dense energy without triggering insulin spikes or blood sugar fluctuations. Fat is essential for satiety, and bacon helps you feel full and satisfied, reducing the urge to snack or overeat later. When eaten in the morning, bacon supports appetite control by stabilizing hunger hormones and slowing digestion. This leads to fewer cravings and more consistent energy throughout the day. The key is avoiding processed bacon that contains added sugars or artificial fillers. Clean, sugar-free bacon adds flavor, enjoyment, and long-lasting fullness, making it much easier to maintain a no-carb, no-sugar lifestyle without feeling restricted. Before we move to the next food, make sure to like the video. It really helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you valuable content like this. Number 3. Avocado. Avocado is one of the most powerful breakfast foods you can eat when your goal is to eliminate both sugar and carbs while still feeling fully satisfied. What makes avocado special is that its calories come almost entirely from healthy monounsaturated fats, which provide long-lasting energy without triggering insulin spikes. When you eat avocado in the morning, your digestion slows down naturally, allowing nutrients to be absorbed gradually and preventing the sudden hunger that usually appears a few hours after carb-based breakfasts. This steady digestion helps stabilize blood sugar levels and keeps your energy calm and consistent throughout the morning. Beyond fat content, avocado is loaded with potassium and magnesium, two minerals that play a crucial role in muscle function, hydration, nerve signaling, and energy production. Many people experience fatigue and bloating in the morning because of mineral imbalances, and avocado helps correct that naturally. It also supports gut health by feeding beneficial bacteria, which improves digestion and reduces inflammation over time. When avocado becomes part of your breakfast routine, it not only helps with fat loss and appetite control, but also improves overall metabolic health, making it easier to stay energized, focused, and satisfied well into the afternoon. Number 4. Cheese. Hard and aged cheeses are excellent breakfast foods because they contain almost zero carbs and zero sugar while delivering a powerful combination of protein and fat. This combination is essential for keeping insulin levels low and preventing blood sugar fluctuations that lead to cravings and fatigue. When cheese is eaten in the morning, it digests slowly, which means it keeps you full for an extended period and reduces the urge to snack between meals. This makes cheese especially valuable for people trying to lose weight or control overeating. Cheese is also rich in calcium and fat-soluble vitamins that support bone health, nerve function, and hormonal balance. Many people underestimate how important these nutrients are for metabolism and energy regulation. Including cheese at breakfast adds both satisfaction and nutritional density, making your meal enjoyable without compromising your health goals. Because it provides comfort and fullness, cheese helps make a sugar-free breakfast sustainable long-term rather than feeling restrictive or boring. Number 5. Chicken breast. Chicken breast is one of the cleanest and most effective zero-carb breakfast options, especially for people focused on fat loss and lean muscle maintenance. It delivers pure protein without sugar or carbohydrates, which helps stabilize blood sugar and dramatically reduce hunger throughout the day. Protein-rich breakfasts like chicken breast increase thermogenesis, meaning your body burns more calories simply digesting the food. This gives your metabolism a strong boost early in the morning. Eating chicken breast at breakfast also supports muscle repair and prevents muscle loss during weight loss. Because it is lean and easy to digest, it provides sustained energy without making you feel heavy or sluggish. Many people notice that when they start their day with chicken breast, they experience fewer cravings, better focus, and more consistent energy levels. This makes it a powerful choice for anyone serious about body composition, insulin control, and long-term metabolic health. Number 6. Salmon. Salmon is an exceptional breakfast food because it combines zero sugar, extremely low carbs, and some of the most powerful nutrients available in whole foods. It is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which play a major role in reducing inflammation, improving brain function, and supporting heart health. When eaten in the morning, salmon helps improve mental clarity and concentration, making it an excellent choice for productive days. The protein in salmon digests slowly, keeping you full for hours and preventing blood sugar crashes. Omega-3s also improve insulin sensitivity, meaning your body becomes better at managing energy without storing excess fat. Regularly eating salmon at breakfast supports hormonal balance, joint health, and even mood regulation. This makes it not just a breakfast food, but a long-term investment in overall health and metabolic stability. Number 7. Butter. Butter contains zero sugar and zero carbs and can be a valuable part of a sugar-free breakfast when used correctly. Butter provides natural fats that fuel the body efficiently without raising insulin levels. These fats help slow digestion, which keeps you full longer, and prevent sudden hunger shortly after eating. When included in breakfast, butter helps stabilize energy levels and prevents the sharp rises and drops associated with carb-heavy meals. Butter also helps your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins from other foods, improving overall nutrient uptake. It supports brain function and hormone production, both of which are critical for energy regulation and metabolic health. When used in moderation, butter enhances satisfaction and makes a no-sugar breakfast more enjoyable and sustainable over time. Number 8. Beef. Beef is one of the most satisfying zero-carb foods you can eat at breakfast, especially for people who struggle with hunger or cravings later in the day. It provides complete protein along with iron, zinc, and essential amino acids that support muscle strength, oxygen delivery, and immune function. Eating beef in the morning helps stabilize blood sugar and keeps insulin levels low, allowing your body to remain in fat-burning mode. Because beef digests slowly, it provides long-lasting fullness and prevents overeating. Many people find that a beef-based breakfast keeps them energized for hours without the need for snacks. This makes beef especially effective for low-carb, keto, or insulin-resistant diets, where appetite control and metabolic stability are key. Number 9. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is a powerful zero-carb, zero-sugar breakfast fat that provides quick and clean energy. It contains medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs, which are rapidly converted into energy by the liver instead of being stored as fat. This makes coconut oil especially effective in the morning when your body needs fuel without blood sugar disruption. When consumed at breakfast, coconut oil supports mental clarity, focus, and sustained energy. It also increases satiety, helping reduce hunger and cravings later in the day. Coconut oil supports fat metabolism and helps your body stay in a fat-burning state, making it a valuable addition for weight loss and metabolic health. Number 10. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are a low-volume, high-benefit breakfast food with almost no carbs and no sugar. They are rich in antioxidants and B vitamins that support energy production, immune function, and nervous system health. Mushrooms add texture and volume to meals without raising blood sugar, helping you feel full without excess calories. They also support gut health and reduce inflammation, which improves digestion and nutrient absorption. Including mushrooms in breakfast enhances overall nutrition while keeping the meal metabolically safe. Over time, mushrooms contribute to better digestion, stronger immunity, and more stable energy levels. Number 11. Olives. Olives are a zero-carb, zero-sugar food packed with healthy fats and powerful antioxidants. These fats digest slowly, providing sustained energy and helping regulate appetite throughout the morning. Olives support heart health, reduce inflammation, and improve insulin sensitivity, making them ideal for metabolic balance. Including olives in breakfast helps control sugar cravings and promotes long-term energy stability. Their healthy fats support fat metabolism and help your body stay satisfied longer, making olives a simple yet powerful addition to a sugar-free breakfast routine. Now remember, the goal isn't just to avoid sugar and carbs, it's to build a breakfast that keeps you full, focused, and in control all day. Start with just 1 or 2 of these foods tomorrow morning and notice the difference in your energy and cravings. If this video helped you, support the channel by liking it and subscribing, and tell me in the comments which breakfast you're going to try first. Thanks for watching, and take care of your health.